So I just put an order in about 2 days ago for on Wild Forks Food because me and my homeboys at work had been talking about this tomahawk steak. Went out, the restaurant got some. It was crazy, right? I went to Wild Fork Foods and found they got some tomahawk steaks for sale. They shipped this thing out. I'm in North Carolina. They shipped it from Florida. 2 days. It pulled up today. Okay. So I'm about to break this out, show you how it comes packaged. Show you how it comes packaged, okay? So here we go. Why it's frozen? Frozen fresh. Frozen is fresher. Okay. So we busted this sucker open. Obviously it had a top on it. I took the top off already. Had some paper in here, some dry ice. But check her out, man. These are the tomahawk steaks. I didn't get the highest end because they got that the wagyu joint, the super cows that they have in China, and they feed them, hand feed them or some crap. So I got the USD choice. I got the cheapest joint, right? But check this out. When I ordered them, they said that they'd be about 2.5 pounds. Okay. Look at what we got here. That's 3.7. This is 3.25. My God. Check us out. And now look, show you something else. This is 6 foot tall, 5'11", whatever, right? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is a man-sized steak. I can't wait. Whenever I bust this out on the grill, you'll see what it is. Chill.